Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the Dark Brotherhood in Skyrim. So let's get right into it. First of all, forgive me for using a screenshot. I need to do this to save space, and it's a much more efficient way of recording things. However, I will pretty much explain everything fully so you don't need the gameplay footage, since it would be very low quality as well, so bear with me. But anyway, to actually join the Dark Brotherhood, you need to start the quest line. I don't know what the minimum requirement of the minimum level requirement is. I'm not fully sure. However, you should get the quest as soon as I think level 1. As soon as you exit Helgen and the cave, I think you can immediately go and get the quest. If you talk to guards around Skyrim in any city, they might mention that a kid named Aventus Aretino in Windhelm is trying to summon the Dark Brotherhood by performing the Black Sacrament. You don't need to hear this, however, if you go to his house, you will see him performing the Black Sacrament, and if you talk to him, he'll order you to kill a keeper of an orphanage in Riften, and once you do kill her, you will need to sleep, or rather wait a few minutes, hours, days, I don't know how much, in-game of course, and a courier should come to you with a note saying "we know" with the black hand drawn on it. Once you get this, you want to actually sleep in a bed within a inn. I always sleep in Riverwood, and then you should be kidnapped by Astrid, and the Dark Brotherhood questline should start, and you should officially be hired into the Dark Brotherhood after that one mission. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.